In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipients on Mailchimp quickly and easily. To start, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left-hand side of the dashboard. You'll see a menu there, and you should click on the option labeled Audience. As you click on Audience, a drop-down menu will appear. From this drop-down menu, you should select All Contacts. This is going to take you to the main area where all your mailing list subscribers or contacts are managed. Once you're in the All Contacts section, you have a couple of ways to add new recipients. First, let's talk about adding a single contact. You'll want to look for a button or option that says Add a Contact. Once you click on that, a form will appear where you can fill in the recipient's details. Here, it's important to enter the correct details such as the email address, name, and any tags that might help you in segmenting or categorizing this contact later on. Once you are sure all the required details are correctly entered, go ahead and hit Save. Now, if you're in a situation where you have to add multiple contacts, there's an efficient way to handle that using Mailchimp's import feature. Look for the option that says Import Contacts and click on it. Mailchimp offers you a few methods for importing these contacts. You can choose to upload a CSV file if that's how you have your contacts organized. Alternatively, Mailchimp lets you directly copy and paste from an Excel sheet or even connect an app that you might be using to manage your contacts. No matter which method you pick, Mailchimp will prompt you to ensure that your data fields are correctly mapped. Field mapping is crucial because it tells Mailchimp where each piece of information should go, whether it's the email addresses, names, or other details you might be including. Make sure that each column in your file corresponds correctly to the data fields in Mailchimp. After ensuring everything is mapped correctly and reviewing your imported contacts, you're ready for the final step. Simply click on Finalize Import, and Mailchimp will start adding those contacts to your audience. And that's it. You've now successfully added recipients to your Mailchimp account, whether that be individually or in bulk. This process should be straightforward and a great boost to your email marketing efforts. Thank you for following along, and I hope you found this guide helpful for managing your email campaigns efficiently. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment. Happy emailing!